Greetings, scholars. I want to take a few moments to talk to you about taking notes for the research paper on Blackboard. If you're looking at the skeleton outline, click on the blue link to download it. Also, click on the sample notes to give you an example. So look at this. First, I'm going to do the skeleton outline. I'm going to pull it up for you, and it's here. Sorry about that. So look at this. Use this handout in order to take your notes. Okay, so you're basically using the sources from your working bibliography. You turned into me or submitted to me 5 sources, potential sources that you can use for your research. Now you have to go back and start reading those articles and taking notes from your articles. So this is going to be a time-consuming assignment. You have 1 week to get this assignment done. The assignment is due next Monday, October 25th at 11:59 p.m. So look at this. Follow this format. Simply type the title of article number 1. I just need the title. Then I want you to go through the article. Write down notes. What arguments support your position? You have your general outline. Right? So use your general outline. What points are going to support your what points from the article will help you to support your position that's on your outline? I'm going to show you this in just a second. You're also looking for any arguments that help you support the opposing view. You're looking for definitions. You're going to have to define terms in the research paper. You're looking for history, background information, facts, statistics, expert testimony, all of that, right? So follow this format. Give me article title number 1, right? List pro arguments. Give me your pro arguments. List con arguments. Give me your con arguments. Give me your definitions, history, background information. Okay. I've set this up for 5 articles because you were supposed to submit to me 5 articles. This is just the skeleton. Outline. Okay. So you also have on Blackboard a sample notes that you have here. So when you turn this into me, you're just going to take title of article number 1, give me the title of the article. Then you're going to go down just like it is, give me the pro arguments. 1, 2, there are 2 pro arguments in here. Look at this. You are not expected to find everything in one article. If you can find all of this information in one article, that's great. Okay. If you cannot find it, don't worry about it. So this article has no con arguments. I just leave that blank. There are no definitions. I just leave that blank. There is history background information here. I record 1, 2, all of the history, all of the background information. I did find some facts, statistics, expert testimony that I can use in my paper. I recorded it here. Okay. This is just for 1 article. You know that you're going to do 5 articles. Take the notes. Read the articles. Read the articles carefully. Find the pro arguments. Find the con arguments, definition, history, background. And remember, not all articles will give you all of this information. So if you don't find, I didn't find any con arguments in this article. I didn't find any definitions. I'm not worried about it. I left it blank because I have 4 other articles that I need to find information for, right? That I can read and I can take notes on, okay? So be very careful with your notes. Be very careful with your notes. Use this form that I have here for you to submit the notes. You can basically type over the skeleton outline. You can basically type over the skeleton outline. Give me the title of article number 1, article number 2, 3. Give me the notes. Give me the notes. Now, like I told you, this is going to overlap with the documented outline. So when you're taking your notes, go back to your general outline. go back to your general outline. Now, this is the completed documented outline. This is the completed documented outline. It is the same outline that I use for the general outline, right? Roman numeral number 1, I have a thesis statement. The state of Alabama should adopt the lottery. So when you're taking notes, what do you need to make sure that you find support for? We'll start with Roman numeral number 2. You need to find something in your notes. Take notes that's going to help you support Roman numeral number 2. Don't worry about MLA format right now, because I will take care of MLA format when we get to assignment number 7. I will take care of MLA format when we get to assignment number 7. But you take the notes. You take the notes, okay? So my topic sentence says a state lottery will help to fund education in the state of Alabama, okay? In the notes, when you take notes, you need to find something to help you support Roman numeral number 2. In this case, I took the note, Virginia generated nearly $22 million in revenue just from the Mega Millions game alone. All of the proceeds reportedly go directly into the state's education budget. Topic sentence, a state lottery will help to fund education in the state of Alabama. How do I know? I found in my notes, Virginia uses all the proceeds, the $22 million, go directly into the state's education budget. When you're taking notes, look at A, B, and C, right? You're going to have to find something to help you support your topic sentences. First, proceeds from the state lottery can be used to fund scholarships. Scholarships being the operative word, right? So in my research, I found that Arkansas, Florida, Georgia, Kentucky, New Mexico, South Carolina, Tennessee, and West Virginia all use the proceeds from the lottery to finance scholarships, right? The operative word, I say we need a lottery to fund scholarships. Operative word in my research that I'm using to support this, all of these states use the lottery to fund scholarships. Do the same thing, B, right? B, you need to find research to support this topic sentence. C, remember D, look at D carefully. That's just a concluding sentence. Do you see research for this? No, you do not. I will go over that more carefully when we do assignment number 7, the documented outline, okay? Look at Roman numeral number 3. You should find something in your notes, record something from your notes to help you support Roman numeral number 3. A, B, and C, not D. Roman numeral number 4, A, B, and C, not D. There is nothing that you need for Roman numeral number 5. There's nothing that you need for Roman numeral number 6. But look at 6A. 6A, you need to find something in your notes to support your 6A. You need to find something in your notes to support 6B. You need to find something in your notes to support 7A, not 7, but 7A and 7B, right? I did place the documented outline. It is assignment number 7, so you have this document. So when you're taking notes, what do you need to make sure that you're taking notes on? Look at your general outline. Look at your general outline. Make sure that you are finding research to support what's on the outline. Use the skeleton outline to record this, especially the history, the background information, your facts, the statistics, and expert testimony. That's also everything that you're going to use to support Roman numerals number 2 and A, B, C. All of that goes there. The definitions and the history, when we write the paper, you're going to need that information. So make sure that you take that down. Make sure that you format this correctly. Make sure that you format it correctly. Make sure, like I said, it looks like what is on Blackboard for you. Do it for all 5 articles. This is going to take some time. Now, The one thing I also want to point out to you before you go, if on your outline, right, you're saying you're taking notes and you're trying to find something to support Roman numeral number 2, right? None of the 5 sources that you have, you can find nothing to help you support Roman numeral number 2. Well, here's the thing. You're either going to have to find more sources because you just haphazardly did the assignment in the first place and it didn't go anywhere. So now you have to redo that working bibliography, find more sources, or you're going to find out this point that you have listed here for Roman numeral number 2 is not a strong point. You need to change this point. Same thing with A. If you can't find anything in your notes to support your A, 2 things. You either need to find more research, go back to the database, go back to the World Wide Web, find more research, or you need to just say, hey, this isn't a good point. I need to find another point. Okay? Make sure that you keep this in mind. Keep the documented outline in the back of your mind as you do this assignment. Remember, only work on assignment number 6 this week. Only work on assignment number 6 this week. We will do assignment number 7 next week. You can't do assignment number 7 until you take your notes. You cannot do assignment number 7 until you take your notes. I will fill in the video for the documented outline on next week. So don't worry about assignment number 7 this week. You need it just because I put it on here just to show you how assignment number 6 will affect assignment number 7, especially if you do not do it correctly. Work on assignment number 6 this week in class. Turn the assignment in to me next Monday. I will have the videos ready for assignment number 7 on next Monday. Okay. As always, if you have any questions, please email me. Let me answer any questions you may have. Good luck with the assignment, and I look forward to hearing from you and receiving your assignment.